Big bad luck last year. Fingers crossed he has good luck this year. Okay, so I believe he's doing one warm-up lap. He's going to do 2 hard laps. And then he's going to do a warm-down lap. Whatever the problem they had, hopefully they've rectified it. So they are going to do 4 laps in total. 1 warm-up, 2 hard laps, and a warm-down. As I said, the River Rat. Another one of them is here as well. Paul Vella, Lockie Vella, Martin Cook, Cookie Monster. They're all in the 5-litre hyper category, hyper 5s. So let's see. Will he just do bowl into this first lap, hot lap? Or will he go right from the start? We'll shortly see. The spray comes out of the left sponson. That's a turn fin. And he's about to go. Whoa! Whoa! What quite the machine, folks. Oh, who's got the heart pumping here? Well, I'll tell you what, Ricky Howard has got it. He's got the accelerator down. Grant and Karen Haley. This sounds good white noise. Down the back straight away. And the power goes on. Oh! Don't forget you got to turn, Rick. Don't forget you got to turn, mate. Yes, I will, Smitty. Oh, he's out wide. He's out very wide. Oh! Ricky. I think he's done a 180. He's got the hatch up. Oh, just what you don't want. Who's up there, Das? Did you get that, Darcy? Did Matthew get it? Rolf's going to kill you both if you haven't. He didn't mean it. Oh, folks. Well, you can see what the adrenaline does, folks, out there on the water. Awesome. Okay, well, Desperado, Liam Holland for the Holly Boy Racing Team on the water. I said before, second in the EC Griffith Cup. His old man took the EC Griffith Cup in New Zealand for Ronnie Burton in Big Chief. Would it not be very, very satisfying? I'm sure it would be if Liam Holland could emulate that and take the EC Griffith Cup in a 6-litre hydro. Now a brand spanking new motor in the boat. Had a few runs, make sure everything is A-OK. Did not want to put the boot into it. Obviously went back, checked it all out. And now, let's see. Can he get a pole position number 1 in a heat of the 2022 EC Griffith Cup? Wouldn't that be absolutely fantastic? This little hydroplane from the United States of America. I believe that it was in a Wolf camp, Marty Wolf, and his sister, Elizabeth. I believe this was a boat that she drove over there. And the Holland boys, well, they've had it for a little while now. What are they going to do? Here he comes. He must be going to do, I would say he's going to do the 2 warm-up laps and then the 1 flying lap. I would say that's what he's going to do. He's going to surpass 2 flying laps. He's going to do 2 warm-ups and 1 flyer, I would reckon. So, as the sun starts to set, Very, very hard for some of them out there, I would say, crossing over that right now where he's going into it. Righto, folks. 6 litre. Desperado. Liam Holland about to go. And he sets the 6 litre in motion. Hits a corner. You watch him take these corners, folks. A little 6 litre. He doesn't have to button the power off. I'm not going to button off, he'd say, Smithy. Down the back straight away. The rooster tail will tell the story. It starts to shoot out the back very, very long. So he's on a mission. Down the bridge corner for the first time of this flying one. Buttons it off. In he goes. Can he get a good pole position? Out he comes. He swings the 6 litre boat. Desperado into the front straight away. And down the chute he comes. Lifts the boat out of the water. And so Desperado, Liam Holland. Well, he might be going to do 4 of them. He hasn't buttoned the power off. Oh, she wants to go, the little animal. You can hear that motor. Absolutely growling. Let me loose. Whoa, ho, ho. Swings it out wide. Loses no power as he goes through. Ha ha. And a little bit of walkie-talkie. And of course, we will certainly be bringing the action to you live and exclusive on the Yarrawonga Foreshore, courtesy of the Victorian Speedboat Club and their very, very good major sponsors, which is Yarramal Tourism, which is Moala Water Ski Club, and the new estate going up, not far from my place, Glenmire Estate. The houses are starting to already get up off the ground, so it is starting to build. So if you're thinking about coming up here to live, what better place when you see conditions like this. Right, Ricky Howard, the river of that. Takes the boat away, and away she goes. Take it easy, Ricky, take it easy, son. No, Smithy, I'm going to extract every little bit out of it. I want pole position in one of the heats. Well, out of the chute he goes. Down the back straight away, and he puts the power on. It'll be hard going into that corner. Slow it down, Rick, slow it down, son. Into the corner he goes, drifts it, out now. That's better, Ricky Howard. The old heartbreaker's down a bit. Through the chute he comes, and down the front straight away. Ho, 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 the cowling's gone. He's lost the cowling. She's gone off. Oh, what else can happen? Jeepers creepers. Hope they can get it before it sinks. Well, there we go, folks. It's all happening here on Lake Moala. But who didn't put that cowling on properly? Only joking. The pressure that was on that odds, it must have been absolutely enormous. Okay, folks, the news has just come through. Everything is finished for the day. We certainly hope you enjoyed what you saw on the water. Well, tomorrow, we can dream, we can think. What might, will, should, can happen. So we hope that you'll come and join us again tomorrow. There'll be a huge, huge crowd here. We're expecting, of course, the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, that we'll have this Yarrawonga foreshore absolutely rocking. So, on behalf of the crew here, we certainly hope, as I said again, you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow for more racing action courtesy of the BSBC and our very good sponsors, Yarramal Tourism, the Moala Water Ski Park, and of course our new sponsor, Glenmire Estate. See you tomorrow.